One of my favorite things about Flux is being able to look at my project in 3D. In this video, I'm showing you everything you need to know about 3D models in Flux, so let's get into it. When working on a project, you can see which parts have a 3D model by looking at this icon. You can even filter by parts that have a 3D model as well. If you're importing or making a part though, there's a number of ways you can get the 3D model. Usually a part distributor will supply a 3D model which you can download and then upload to Flux via the asset panel. If you were to look at the 3D view at this point, you might wonder why there's no 3D model. In the Objects panel, you have to add a model from the root menu. Then you have to select the model and add an asset layout rule. Finally, select the 3D model you uploaded earlier, and there it is. Unfortunately, the orientation isn't correct, so I'm just going to add the Z-axis is up rule and set it to false. The 3D model is up right now, but we just need to rotate it. So I'll add the rotation Z layout rule and turn it 90 degrees. There we go. In some cases, you may not be able to find the 3D model for a given part, so you can make one by referencing the datasheet. I like to use Onshape. It's free and offers a bunch of great features, but you can use whatever 3D modeling software you're comfortable with. I've already made this part, but good practice is to center your model. This will ensure it is also centered within Flux. Anyway, I'll go ahead and export this as a step file. Now we can upload the file much like we did earlier. For whatever reason, the materials are not rendering properly, so I'm just going to add the physical materials layout rule and set it to false. That looks a lot better. Hopefully this video has given you a better understanding of 3D models in Flux. Give me a like if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content just like this.